Welcome to the OZM 72 training module. This interactive experience is designed to help trainees understand the physical structure, purpose, and safe handling context of the OZM 72 directional anti-personnel mine. The focus here is not on arming, deploying, or disarming. Instead, it's about visualization, exploring the mine's internal and external components, learning their functions, and recognizing the conditions in which the mine may be found. The training is available on two platforms, a PC version with mouse and keyboard controls, and a VR version developed for Meta Quest 3. At the start, you'll choose between three conditions of the OZM 72: a new factory-fresh model, an age-at-dust-covered version found in the field, or a heavily rusted mine simulating long-term exposure. Once selected, the mine can be rotated, zoomed, and examined from any angle. You can place it back on the table to access deeper interaction. Hovering or pointing at components reveals detailed callouts. Each part includes a technical description and contextual information that changes based on the mine's condition. All models are built to high visual standards with physically accurate 3D geometry, realistic PBR materials, and dynamic condition swaps. Animations highlight mechanical part movement, while callouts and a minimalist interface keep the focus on learning. This training module is strictly educational. It is not intended for live field training or explosive ordnance disposal instruction. Disclaimers and clear safety notes are included throughout. Looking ahead, the system is built for expansion. Future updates will add a main menu with login, progress tracking, and new modules, including interactive training with other weapons like the RPG-7. The OZM 72 training module provides a safe, controlled way to explore, understand, and study the mine's structure, supporting deeper awareness and safer decision-making in the field.